Welcome, beautiful souls. I am so glad you are here. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe this video to show your support so I can keep creating healing space for you guys. Now, I want you to find a quiet and comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And slowly let your hand rest gently, and when you are ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your body begin to soften. This is your time to rest, to reconnect, and to invite healing into your body. Let's begin today's session by bringing awareness to your breath without forcing or changing it. Just notice the natural rhythm, the inhale and the exhale. With each breath, feel your body becoming heavier. More relaxed, allow gravity to hold you. Now, gently scan your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move downward. Notice your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let each area soften. Move down to your neck and shoulder. Release any tension you are holding. Feel the breath travel down your spine, into your chest, your belly, your arms, hands, hips, and legs. Bring awareness to each part with love, not judgment. If there any area of discomfort or pain, just notice it. Don't resist, just allow it to be and let the breath gently surround it. Now, visualize a warm golden light just above your head. This light is pure healing energy, calm, safe, and soothing. With your next breath, invite this golden light to gently enter through the top of your head. Let it begin to flow throughout your body, slowly and lovingly. As it moves through your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw, feel any tightness and dissolve it. Let it flow into your neck and shoulder, softening everything it touches. Let it travel into your heart center, filling your chest with warmth, compassion, and healing. With each breath, this golden light moves deeper into your arms, your hands, your belly. Anywhere you hold pain, tension, or fatigue, imagine this light surrounding and soothing it. Let it continue through your hips, thighs, knees, down to your feet and toes. Your entire body is now healing in this golden light. Feel your cells responding to this energy. Feel the body beginning to restore and regenerate. Now, bring this light specifically to the area of body that most needs healing. It might be physical pain, fatigue, or even emotional heaviness stored in the body. Visualize the golden light gently wrapping around this area, No force, just presence. Let it soften, let it breathe, let it heal. Stay here for a few moments, breathing in love and breathing out tension, breathing out stress, breathing out worries, breathing out emotional heaviness that your body has stored, breathing out physical pain, breathing out fatigue, breathing out tiredness, breathing out mental blockages. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations in your mind or softly aloud. I trust my body's ability to heal. Every cell in my body is working in harmony. I send love to the places that hurt. I am patient, kind, and gentle with myself. My body is strong. My body is healing. I am whole. I am safe. I am well. Feel the vibration of these words as they settle into your body. Let them become part of you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels now. Notice any shift, however small, in how you feel. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe it out. Wiggle your fingers and toes and stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this healing energy with you as you move through your day. Remember, your body is your ally. Be gentle with it. Be proud of it. And thank you once again for sharing this moment with me. Take care of yourself. You are healing. You are loved. You are safe. You are whole. And you are everything. Namaste.